Welcome back to Product Critique, where we bring you honest reviews on the latest gadgets and appliances. Today, we're diving into the world of home heating with the Dreo Atom 316, a pocket-sized powerhouse. Let's see if this tiny heater lives up to the hype. First impressions matter, and the Dreo Atom 316 certainly makes a statement with its compact design. It's like the David among Goliaths in the world of heaters. Despite its small size, this little guy packs a punch. The Atom 316 is sleek and well built, with a black steel mesh front that exudes elegance. And don't let its simplicity fool you. It comes equipped with basic yet essential features like an adjustable thermostat and multiple heat settings. Now, one thing to note is the controls. While they're functional, they could be more user-friendly. The touch-sensitive buttons are a bit tricky to locate, especially in low light. But once you get the hang of it, operating the heater is a breeze. Let's talk performance. Despite its diminutive size, the Atom 316 does an impressive job of heating a room. In our tests, it raised the temperature of a medium-sized space in no time. And thanks to its efficient ceramic heating element, you'll feel the warmth almost instantly. Safety is paramount when it comes to heaters, and the Atom 316 doesn't disappoint. It's equipped with tip-over protection and overheating safeguards, giving you peace of mind during use. Plus, it's surprisingly quiet, so you can enjoy the warmth without any distracting noise. So, should you invest in the Dreo Atom 316? If you're in the market for a budget-friendly, portable heater that gets the job done, then absolutely. It may not have all the bells and whistles of pricier models, but its performance speaks for itself. Stay cozy this winter with the Dreo Atom 316. That's all for today's review. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and leave a comment below on what product you'd like us to review next. Until next time, this is Product Critique signing off.